Third National Open Athletic Championship 400 meter.
This is Matthew, one of the biggest.
Under 18 girls 400 meter run final.
The national record holder.
400 मीटर की 18 वर्ष आयु समूह की
The girls
लड़कियों की
under 18 are as follows.
400 मीटर फाइनल रेस आपके सामने आयोजित होने जा रही है.
Kamya Sadik Tandon of Maharashtra will start the race from lane number 8. Divya Rajput raised the right arm in jubilation from Rajput from Himachal Pradesh. In lane number 6 we are going to see participation from Niharika of Tamil Nadu. Jyoti Rani of Uttar Pradesh. We'll start race on number 4. Rupal, favorite to win this contest. She'll start a race on lane number 3. Lane number 2 is athlete of Karnataka and her name is Nayana Kokare. Raised her both arms in jubilation, and Shreya Das of West Bengal will start the race from lane number 1. Rupal, who also participated at the World Under 20 Athletics meet, and Kimaya Satvik Tandon of Maharashtra in lane number 8. It's all to go for. This is the first final of the evening session. Quick, bright start and clean start by all the athletes, setting up our early pace is Rupal as per the expectation, and Jyoti Rani of Uttar Pradesh also giving her close attention, but Rupal has some other ideas in her mind and she is stretching the limits and also pulling the other athletes to come closer to her. You can easily notice that she is looking bright in touch. Kamya Satvik Tandon of Maharashtra is also doing well from lane number 8, and lane number 6 PR Niharika of Tamil Nadu is looking quite impressive as they are reaching towards the 200 meter mark, and from there onwards it's going to be a sprint, and the body starts saying that stop, but they have to come out with all guns blazing, and you can easily notice the blazing speed of Rupal of Uttar Pradesh in lane number 3. She is favorite to win this contest and she is living up to the reputation. Look at the margin, look at the domination. Other athletes have simply thrown up the towel on the track because of the rich pace of Rupal. She is only 16, and what a prospect Indian athletics is going to get there. She is about 20 meters ahead, and I do not remember that when I saw such a domination at any stage in Indian athletics in recent years. What a finish by this girl Rupal of Uttar Pradesh. She was member of the under 20 squad at Nairobi. She is only 16 and rising quite rapidly on the scene, and here she stamped her authority, and what a domination. She is on the track, and here you can notice that after getting an early start, and she showed no signs of dip in the speed and went from strength to strength. All the other girls were looking to catch the speed of Rupal. At this point, PR Niharika of Tamil Nadu and also Kimaya Satvik Tandon of Maharashtra were posing a threat to ambitions of Rupal. But Rupal had some other ideas in her mind. In lane number 3, she was going from strength to strength. In fact, she pipped Jyoti Rani of Uttar Pradesh as well at the 50 meter mark. And you can notice now that when the 150 meters were there and she was going for the home stretch, she was comfortably ahead from the rest of the pack. Shreya Das of West Bengal is way behind there, and Rupal, here you can notice the gap. Here you can see that she is about 30 meters ahead, and this type of domination is very, very unheard in the athletics at the Indian scene, and she crossed the finish line, and all eyes are now on the clock, or she could have shaved